When it comes to toilets, American Standard has earned a reputation for quality, durability, and innovation. So, what makes them a top choice for homeowners? Let's explore why their toilets stand out. High-quality engineering. American Standard toilets are built with both strength and precision, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and lasting durability. Each design is carefully crafted to meet, and often exceed, industry standards, ensuring top-tier performance. Whether you're after a powerful flush or a seat designed for ultimate comfort, American Standard delivers. Their Champion 4 model, for example, is engineered to handle heavy waste loads with minimal water, making it a reliable and eco-friendly option. Plus, years of research and development have led to innovations that focus on water efficiency, the ease of use, and hygiene. With American Standard, you're not just getting a toilet, you're investing in top-tier engineering that lasts. Water efficiency. Water efficiency is a game changer, and American Standard leads the charge. Many of their toilets are WaterSense certified, using significantly less water than older models without sacrificing performance. While standard toilets use 1.6 gallons per flush, many American Standard models use just 1.28 gallons per flush. This not only helps you cut down on water bills, but also supports sustainability efforts. Models like the H2 option and the Selectronic flush technology showcase the brand's commitment to water-saving innovations. These toilets provide a powerful flush while being mindful of the environment, making them perfect for homeowners who want to reduce their water usage without compromising on performance. Plus, with water conservation becoming increasingly important, choosing an American Standard toilet is an eco-friendly step that delivers savings over time. Comfort and accessibility. Comfort is crucial, and American Standard delivers with its ergonomic designs, including the right height toilets. These models are ideal for people with mobility issues or those who simply prefer a taller seat. With the growing need for accessible bathroom fixtures, American Standard goes above and beyond to ensure that their toilets provide both comfort and ease of use. For those looking for added convenience, their ActiClean self-cleaning technology offers a hassle-free experience by automatically cleaning the bowl after each use. This feature ensures a fresh, clean toilet with minimal effort. Whether you're outfitting a family bathroom or designing an accessible space, American Standard combines comfort with practicality, making it an ideal choice for all households. Durability and maintenance. Durability is one of the cornerstones of American Standard toilets. Made from high-quality materials, they are designed to withstand years of use without losing their efficiency. These toilets are built to handle the demands of everyday life, and with features like EverClean, which resists stains and bacteria, cleaning becomes a breeze. This means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying a well-maintained bathroom. Whether you're looking at their high-performance Champion series or more budget-friendly options, American Standard toilets are designed to provide reliable, long-term use. So you can rest easy knowing your toilet will continue to perform at its best for years. Stylish design. While performance is key, American Standard also understands the importance of aesthetics. Their toilets come in a wide range of styles, ensuring there's a model that suits any bathroom, whether it's traditional or contemporary. With sleek lines and a variety of finishes, these toilets can complement your bathroom's design while still offering superior functionality. From the classic look of the Cadet series to the modern finishes available in the Champion line, American Standard makes sure that your toilet doesn't just blend in but enhances your space. Whether you're updating a tired bathroom or building from scratch, you'll find a toilet that marries form and function effortlessly. Affordability and value. American Standard offers a variety of options to fit every budget, making it easy to find a toilet that suits both your needs and your price point. While higher-end models like the Champion 4 come at a premium, their performance and longevity make them well worth the investment. Even their more affordable models, such as the H2 option or Cadet series, offer excellent value, combining reliability, efficiency, and ease of maintenance. When you consider the savings in water bills, the low-maintenance features, and the long-lasting durability, American Standard toilets prove to be an outstanding investment. With American Standard, you're getting more than just a toilet. You're getting a solution that adds value to your home and saves you money in the long run. American Standard toilets offer an unbeatable combination of innovation, water efficiency, comfort, and durability. Whether you're upgrading or renovating, these toilets provide the performance, reliability, and value every bathroom deserves.